Hello, everyone. Melissa here, coming back on today with Saturday Morning Makes, as well as Sewn in Love February. Now, I have the ladies linked down below if you'd like to go over and check it out and use those hashtags to see what everybody else has been creating. And also, I am using this card, or I made this card where I created with my friend Gloria, and we chose one item to use. And so let me show you everything I am using to create with this card, and then I'll show you what we are using to alike to create with. All right, so first off, I am using this gel pen, which is by Uniball Signal. So that's what I'm using to add to color in the eyes and use a little highlights on the cheeks there and on her dress too. All right, and then this is the paper pack that I chose. It's pretty old, and I got it from Tuesday Morning, so it's a very old paper pack. I'm using these little Bo Bunny candy dots, Tuesday Morning. And I'm using this Peachy King stamp set, and I'm using the thank you out of there. And I'm also using this, which is from CC Designs, Make a Card 14 birthday. And I am using this little die here. And then this is from Spellbinders, and I won this from Decorate Your Life. And I'm using this as well as this here, that one there. Now, the stamp set that we got this from, and this is going back. This is Peachy Keen stamp set called Thank You Dolls. And it kind of puts you in the mind of Raggedy Ann and Andy. So those are the colors we chose as well for, which are red and blue. And I was showing my daughter this card, and she says, now I want you to make another one. And think outside the box, or whatever she said, and don't use those colors. So, I don't know. I doubt if I make another one, but maybe. But anyway, so let me show you this card a little closer. Didn't it turn out so cute? I thought it was just adorable. So anyway, so this is where I use that Signal gel pen. So I use that for the eyes, the dots on her dress, as well as the freckles in her face. And then I use those CC Design dies right there, and that's that Spellbinder die. I thought I would put some of these colors back in. I cut it out twice and put the colors back in to add a little bit of more texture and a little bit more character to that. And then there goes the inside die there. I thought it turned out so cute. Aren't they adorable? Oh, and I did paper piece the outfits. And I just stamped them directly onto the paper piece the outfits. Thought it turned out so cute. Now make sure you head over to Gloria's channel and see what she created using these dolls as well. All right, so that is all I have for you. Make sure you use those links down below to check out the other ladies and the hashtags. And yeah, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.